Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can set a subpage of your Wix websites to your website's homepage or make it a website homepage. So let us dive into this and show you how to do it on Wix. What you want to do is navigate to your Wix website project, and here in the top left next to page, navigate to the given subpage. Now first you will need to make the given section of your website or page a subpage. And let me do that really quickly. Click into that button here, and what you want to do next is navigate to pages and menu, and here under the side menu click into these three dots next to the selected page and make it a subpage. So once it has become a subpage, you will need to convert it first to a main page. Select main page here, click into these three dots again and select set as homepage. And now the About Us page here is the homepage indicated by that small icon here. Now I would like to make the homepage the real homepage, so let me change that. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.